In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can change the shape of the markers for a line chart with markers in Excel with ease. To do this, first click on the line, then right click on the line, where you're going to see an option pop up towards the bottom that says Format Data Series. Click on Format Data Series, and then from here, you're going to click on the fill bucket right here, fill in line, where you can edit either the line or the marker. And from here, you're going to click on marker and go to the sub drop down marker options, where you can select from the automatic, which is just the circle that you see, none. So the marker is there structurally, but doesn't really show. Or you can use a built-in marker shape, where it can be a square, triangle, a line. Make this a bit bigger by adjusting the size like so you can see it a bit better. A line, plus, and so on and so forth. You can even upload your own image by browsing a file, using stock images, or using an icon. So for example, you can even have your marker be an icon or an image. Like let's just say I wanted it to be these movie theater glasses, just for example. So that's what I did instead. Now my markers are astronaut dudes. That is the default size I had. That's it. I hope you found this super helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.